Yeah, I mean, fuck all that shit.
About to get tatted up.
Bitches.
Gotta get the microphones. That's tight.
There's a zoom button on top, yo.
So I like to do it manually.
I like the way it sits in my hand.
Yeah, I know. Real Sherlock. They're dope.
I guess that's a good synopsis right there, Sherlock.
Right.
Yeah, this ain't no small undertaking by any means. This is well more than a hand's worth of it.
We got Mr. Clean.
So many touches that they call. So many. I got a huge, put it this way, I got a huge bottle of Tribal Black. Specifically Tribal Black. That's the same size.
Oh, sorry. Like it highlights my poker sleeve.
Just played on the game. Guess what? That thing is still well over.
I'm one of the last guys.
Yeah, you can get right over my shoulder if you want. It don't bother me none.
Yeah, zoom's pretty
Much
good.
is, yeah.
Zoom's pretty good on this thing.
Now I'm gonna be on YouTube and I'm wearing my fat boy clothes today.
Nice.
You're looking fat.
That's alright, yo. The camera adds pounds anyway. Thank you, Mr. Bartender. Oh, you 21 thing? For the year? Nuh-uh. I remember when you were 18.
Ain't that sweet?
How old are you, Teddy? Just out of curiosity?
20.
20.
Youngin'.
Hey, you got that lily white skin too.
I'll quit now.
Fuck, you know? Those little Is that right over there?
Album is from Minneapolis, you know, up there. When they did the show.
Who did?
Method Man Redman. They did the sound shit, the whole auditorium and shit.
Hell yeah. Well, you know, that's what you get for being underground, dude, and not knowing that motherfucking some new shit's coming out, you know what I mean? Especially by Method Man and Redman, because that first Blackout, come on, was dope, dude. I don't give a fuck if it was half-ass fucking MTV, it was still dope.
Let's see first. That's what it is.
You know what I mean?
It's all shade.
Right. But that's a bit the most of the outline or all of it?
That's all of the
All of it, man, yeah.
Very cool. I'll drink a spotted cow. Yo.
Roots, bloody roots.
I like it.
Dude, that's up close and personal right there, man.
I like it.
Deep into the white meat.
All right, so we're about 7 hours in, 6 hours in. Colin, how do you feel?
Man, dude.
Translated, that would mean it really hurts. But it's almost over.
Exactly.
I need a back brace.
What's up, man?
Playing?
Yeah, in about, how long?
20 minutes.
What?
He says 20 minutes. No, about that long.
Give me a minute.
Me? Or? So I keep drilling.
Yeah, oh yeah, do that.
He says keep drilling. Get it over with. Yeah, this is much nicer than the other one.
Yeah, that blackness at the bottom will really set off the shading at the top. A little abstract and a little detail.
Back to the let's go back to
The old white shot.
This is special ink that'll wash off in the morning, and then we'll actually do the tattoo.
this is a funny joke.
Test run.
Just to see how you can take it. And you've taken it well. I wish I knew a motherfucker would be tattooing on me all day.
Right?
It'd be great. But with me, it's if you want something done, you gotta do it yourself.
That's how I feel, man. Sometimes, straight up. Were you dealing them out up there or what?
What?
You dealing them out up there or what?
Well, we're waiting for Jeff to play. We got everything ready for. Thought he was playing.
Well, I bribed him into video camera.
Well,
And with his own directorial debut.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
is Jeff Clark on the camera, ladies and gentlemen.
yeah, let's not broadcast that. So this doesn't have that steady hand feature?
Oh, it does.
Okay, good.
Because don't worry, I'm like that too. I think everybody is.
I'm wondering about my own steady hand at this point.
Kill yours.
Oh, it looks pretty good on the close-up. So I'd say yeah.
That top half is already sealed in. I can tell the difference in the tone of skin.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks good. I'm a dirty hippie.
No, I know, right? But he's being sarcastic.
I'm not a hippie anyway. I'm a